Hello, this is my channel, and this is the Just at Home washing machine and the Learning Centre washing machine, and I can do both. I'm not working very good, so I'll show you this. That one doesn't work very well. It's spinning. This one does here.
Put the washing powder in.
And here.
Show us your little box of detergent.
Is a little box of detergent we used last night.
Yeah.
There. Now just put some clothes in. That's too big. Here. Got some clothes here. Go. First, this one is the fill nut.
Okay.
The first one is the fill nut.
Okay.
Not this one. It doesn't.
Okay.
Well, this one fills up too.
Okay.
Let's go. Counts down. This one that, and this one fills up well. But this one doesn't fill up very well. Doesn't. The water. What here?
Yeah.
These are the. The next one is the washing one. Not going. And this one is not going round very well. It's batteries.
Okay. And what about the next one and this one?
And this one is the bubble cycle.
Do the numbers count down for the cycle?
Yep. So this one is the spin cycle. This one is the spin cycle. Doesn't work very well. So this one works perfectly with the spin cycle going, but this one doesn't. Oh, so they're not working now. What's that? Oh, yeah. It's too big one, isn't it? A little bit.
Bit too big.
Yeah.
That little boat. Yeah. And what is the next button? This one.
This one is the full spin.
What does that
Washing
do? Full
cycle.
spin.
Full spin. Yep. This one. This one. See? Bubble cycle. This one is the full washing cycle. That. Subscribe to the channel. Bye bye. Subscribe to the channel. See you soon. Subscribe and like.